Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Umair Hassan. This is a question from your May 2024 paper, and the question is that the cost of a ticket to watch a basketball match is $67.60. This is the cost if you buy one ticket for the match. The total money received from ticket sales for one match is $1183,000. This was the total amount that was received as a result of the sales of the ticket. Now you have to calculate the number of tickets. If you have to calculate number of tickets that were sold, so that is very simple. You just need to divide the total amount that was collected as a result of the sales divided by the cost for one ticket, which is 67.60. Total amount that you received as a result of selling the tickets is 11,83,000 divided by the cost price for one ticket, that is 67.60. You will get number of tickets which are 17,500. This is the number of tickets that you have sold. The next is the cost of one ticket at $6.60 is 4% more. I mean, this cost is 4% more than the cost of one ticket last year. Yeah, mean in comparison to last year, whatever was the cost of ticket, then the last year, let me suppose that the cost of the ticket last year was X dollar. This year, the cost is 67.60, and this cost is 4% more than the cost in the last year. So, according to the situation, the cost of the ticket was X last year, and we have to increase this cost by 4% of X, mean 4% of the cost last year will be added in the cost that was last year. You will get the ticket cost for this year, which is 67.60. Last year, the cost was X. This year, the cost has increased by 4%, and this 4% is basically of X. So you have to increase X by 4%. You will get the cost of the ticket for this year, that is 67.60. If you simplify it, this will be X plus 4% is 4 over 100. X is equal to 67.60. Now from here, you can simplify this equation. You can put 1 in the denominator here and make the denominator same by multiplying and dividing by 100. I am solving it over here. I have just made the denominator same. I want to take LCM. So 100x plus 4 is 104x over 100. That is equal to 67.60. So from here, you can have 104x. That is equal to 67.60 into 100. Now you can find x. 67.60 times 100 divided by 104. The cost last year was $65. So this is the question from the topic of reverse percentage. When you have to calculate the cost somewhere back in time, the question is from reverse percentage. Then the next question is, the number of seats in the basketball stadium is 20,545. The number of seats sold for the first match of the season is this. Calculate the percentage of seats in the stadium that are sold. Well, that is very simple. Percentage of seats that are sold. Well, that is number of seats that were sold. That is 19,340 divided by total number of seats. 20,545 times 100. You can simplify it 19,340 divided by 19,340 divided by 20,545 times 100, that is 94%. 94.13% seats were sold. Okay. Then the next part for question number one is a team plays 41 matches. For the 41 matches, the mean number of seats sold per match is this. Mean for 41 matches, number of seats sold. The mean is given. Mean of seats that were sold in 41 matches is this. The total number of seats sold for the first 21 matches is given. For the first 21 matches, number of seats sold are 3,29,000. These are for first 21 matches. Calculate mean number of seats sold per match for the last 20 matches. Okay, this is a very good and simple question. Now, in this question, you have to use the formula for mean twice. Write down the formula for mean. Mean is sum of all values. Sum of all values over number of values. Now, if you look into the statement for 41 matches, the mean is 16,440. This is the mean for 41 matches. So mean is 16,440. Number of matches is they are 41. From here, I can find the total sum for all the seats in 41 matches. I will get from here sum of all seats. Mean the total number of seats. If we have 41 matches, how many seats were there? I can get total number of seats or sum of all the seats. That is 16,440 multiplied by, you just need to multiply 41 and 16,440. 16,440 multiplied by 41. Total number of seats are 674,040. These are total number of seats sold in 41 matches. In 41 matches, we have these number of seats. Now, if you see the second part of question, the total number of seats sold for 21 matches are given. In 21 matches, we have 21 matches. We have how many seats that were sold? 3,29,000. These are the seats sold in 21 matches. For the remaining 20 matches, how many seats were sold? For the remaining 20 matches, you need to subtract the total number of seats in 41 matches minus, these are total number of seats sold in 41 matches minus number of seats sold in 21 matches, which is 3,29,000. You will get the number of seats sold for the remaining 20 matches, which is 674,040 minus 329,000. So you have 345040. These are number of seats that were sold in the last 20 games. Now you can calculate the mean for this one. So mean is total number of seats that were sold 345 345,040 divided by number of matches. This will be your new mean for the last 20 matches, 17 to 52. This is the mean number of seats for the last 20 matches. So this was the question in which you have to use the mean two times. So this is question number one, part A, part B, and part C. I will continue my question from part number D onwards in my next video. Thank you so much.